So, external wastegates, or rather in this case, Chinese external wastegate. This is a small PSA or like an informative video on these Chinese wastegates because, well, I like to buy cheap Chinese parts and there are some problems with some of these that are quite common that I want to explain. We have 3 different variants right here, or rather actually 2 that work and 1 that actually does not. Well, the actual assembly or whatever is the same on all 3, so they are basically a remodeled tile wastegate, so like a tile MVR 44mm wastegate. And this one is a, I don't know, some kind of Chinese copy. It's not an original. My friend had this on his Mark IV Supra. And then I have this one, which is a Pulsar unit, which also worked very well. And then we got this one, which I just bought, which is also even has tile on the casting and has tile right here, just like this one as well. But this one has some issues. So just for your explanation, this wastegate is mounted to the manifold and is supposed to let excessive exhaust gases out before they actually hit the turbo, and so to control boost levels. And it does that by having basically a valve right here that closes down this portion, and basically no air or no exhaust gas should leak out of this tube, because if there was, that would first of all increase or like make spool worse, because not all of the exhaust gas is going to be getting to the turbine. You will have an exhaust leak right here, which is going to sound pretty bad, and yeah, it's just going to run inefficiently. So because when exhaust back pressure or exhaust manifold pressure increases, obviously that leak's going to get bigger, so that would be an issue. And that's where the wastegates come in, or rather the one wastegate I bought that actually has that problem, and I'm going to show you that right now. So as you can see here, we are in a darker room, so you can see that better. And we have the valve I was talking about right here. So that's the used one from the Supra, and that's the one I bought for the Golf. And as you can see clearly, there is a gap in between the valve and the body, which is normal because there is supposed to be a valve seat in there, like this. And this valve seat is supposed to be in here and in here, and it's supposed to actually seal the valve against the valve seat and therefore create a seal and not cause any boost leaks. Because if you can see, I'll grab another phone right there and shine my flashlight. As you can see, yeah, there is a gap, an obvious one. So, well, now if we put in the valve seat on this one, you should actually be able to press it down and compress the spring. So you should be able to compress the spring with the valve seat, which on this one, if I put it in there, is possible. So, see, you can move the valve because it's actually pushing on the valve itself. And this one, this is correct. You should be able to do that. But if I do it the same on this one, nothing. Because the seat is not actually sealing. See? Where's my LED? Right here, you can still see. You can still see some light through. There. Do you see? There you go. See? That should be sealed. Or rather, at least very close to sealed, and you should be able to push this down. The reason for that is because they did not cut the or did not cut the this edge for the valve seat deep enough. So this one is quite a bit deeper than this one. So this is kind of useless. You would have to put this on a lathe and machine that down like this one, and then it would actually work. But then you again have the problem that you only have very little space where the seat actually sticks out, whereas on this one the space is already a little bit bigger. And if you machine down the lip, that it might be that the firing actually sits too deep. So this wastegate is basically trash. You can't use it. The other thing you want to do is, which would be with any Chinese wastegate, is you want to take the wastegate apart and tighten any screws, for example for the membrane and for the valve that actually is holding the valve in, because those tend to be loose or can be loose, but like it doesn't make any difference if your valve is sealing. So that's really important. So this is basically, this could go in the trash, or like could be like an ornament for I don't know, for your desk or whatever, because at least the color is nice, right? Yeah, that's it for this little PSA on Chinese wastegates and why sometimes they are not a good purchase. It seems like Pulsar actually have some quality control, which Alibaba doesn't, or AliExpress or whatever. Could also get them from Temu or whatever. I might actually test this one against this one and show you what the actual difference is when the car's together, but for now I just want to show you this, that this is pretty crap.